Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good whatsoever time it is where you are today. We are gonna demystify Ondo coin, Ondo crypto. Today I look like an Ondo king, an Ondo royalty. I want us to demystify this bad boy. What is Ondo token all about? Is this a good coin? Should I buy Ondo coin? Should you buy Ondo coin? And if say we're gonna buy Ondo coin or Ondo crypto, what is the future of this bad boy? So we're gonna talk about all this good stuff about Ondo. It's gonna look at maybe some bad sides about Ondo. So let's not just talk only about good things. Let's talk about some bad things also. And let's make it juicy so that people can at least understand that there's always something bad in something good. Anyway, guys, you're welcome back again. Yeah, I'm your guy, the Betong. Always bring you guys amazing content in this crypto space. If you are new here, consider like staying a little bit. Let's go through the show. And if you like my content, then you subscribe. But at least as you watch the show, do hit that like button. If you love Ondo, and I like, hit that like button. I know all the Ondo fans out there. You have a new Ondo fan. Am I a new Ondo fan? No. Let's see if I want to keep creating more Ondo video. But understand what I'm trying to say here. Just spice up some stuff. Out there. Now let's get into this bad boy. What is this Ondo all about? But before we go, do subscribe. Anyway, subscribe. I want you to subscribe. Yeah, do subscribe. This is this coin. This is this coin. Yeah, yeah. This is the coin Ondo. And looking at this coin on CoinMarketCap, I can see that there are some stuff that are interesting for me right now. The volume alone is 158 million, which is good. It's been up 47% for the past 24 hours. Is this because of Bitcoin? Well, maybe part of it is because of Bitcoin, and this is built on the Ethereum chain, which is somehow good, to see that the coin is built on the Ethereum chain, right? And we have here the security supply is about 138,000. Sorry, 100. Let me just say 1 billion. Oh yeah, 100 something like billion. Yeah, 1 billion 300 and something. This 387 million. Blah blah blah. Ondo. Yeah. So that's the supply in circulation, and the total supply is 10 billion Ondo. Well, this is somehow alarming to me. Whenever I see a project that has this huge total in supply and just only this amount in circulation, it tells me that there are some people who are holding huge amount of the token and they can dump it on anyone out there, right? Yeah, that's it. Now let's go to crypto bubbles. I want us to look at Ondo, yeah, on crypto bubbles. Let's just search Ondo. You know, let's see the rank. First of all, the rank is number 128, in the crypto space. And Ondo for the day is up 8%, for the week is up 32%, and for the month is up 67%. It means there's something actually about this token that investors are loving it. And I am interested in any project that people love it. Because guys, we need the volume. When there's the volume, it means there are hungry lions out there who want to make some great cash, awesome cash, gains from this token, right? So I'm gonna at one point assume that Ondo, as any other coin, is moving alongside Bitcoin, right? Because Bitcoin is doing so well, so I should really think that maybe Ondo is following the same trend as Bitcoin, right? Now let's go back to this coin market cap. That like, this is a platform where like you can get every details here, guys. It's free. You get details that maybe you cannot even imagine. Like these are the exchanges where you can buy Ondo. As of now, Bybit, Coin, Coin.io, Gate.io, HTX, yeah, all this stuff here. But now let's go scroll down. Let me show you guys something here. Ondo Analytics, the whales, yeah. Whales are holding 94%, and others are holding only 5.28%. As I mentioned, this is alarming, guys. If you are buying a coin like this, it means that the pressure, the downward pressure is going to be grievous if, say, they start selling to cash out profit. Because at one point, trust me, they are going to sell and cash out profit. And selling doesn't mean that it's a bad project. No, don't get me wrong. If someone has invested in a project and made money, of course they have to remove their money and do something else. So I don't want you to think that I'm saying this because the fact that is no, it's far away from that. What I'm saying is to protect you, not to keep thinking the price is gonna be going up, 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 up. We're gonna go to the price action, in a bit. But I want us to look at all this first. Now, look at the addresses by time held. Cruisers, they have, cruisers are people who are just, passing by, and the traders have 8.7%, but the cruisers have 5.7%, and the holders have 3.84%, which means these cruisers, they have a lot. They are holding a lot. When you have a cruiser around your project, be careful, because these guys are we're gonna do this for short term, while the holders are there, long term, and also you can see the traders. Guys, this data you can find it on these are all on-chain data. You can find it on CoinMarketCap, and also if I look at the token on Etherscan, I mean, you can see the max supplier is as we mentioned, we have holders here, 15,917 holders. Well, it's good. It's good. And you can see here this wallet holds. I don't know which wallet is this. I don't know. Maybe if say you understand more about this wallet, you can tell me what the wallet is. But what I do know is that Bybit is holding 2%. Is the second highest holder is Bybit. Then we can see other exchange here like Gate.io, KuCoin. But this wallet, this one here, is holding 79.61%. Well, maybe it's the Ondo team. I don't know. Maybe they have like, maybe it makes sense if say we're gonna go through more of what they are all about, right? So let's just like get this source, then we go to the juicy part of it to see what they are doing. Now, I did some, research, on Google Trend to see what is happening with this project. You can see this project started pumping, like, in terms of the trend on January 7, and ever since that, this trend has been in an upside, and you are seeing that, or you can see that Google Trend is showing that the trend is like it's about to keep moving to the upside. And now, which countries are actually buying this coin? You see, Turkey is a recession on it, Indonesia, Vietnam, Thailand. If we go more, we're gonna see more countries. But let's just search for the word, the coin, coin, crypto. Let's see if we can get more data there, or maybe not crypto. Let's check on token. Let's see if we get more data on token. Let's see not, or let's just say Ondo to see what we got. Yeah. Okay, Ondo gives us something. Mongolia, Equatorial Guinea, Gabon, Nigeria. Let's see the Ondo's share price. Ondo topic, deputy governor. No, okay, let's focus on the coin. I think the coin is gonna give us exactly that, the data we need. Ondo coin worldwide. Actually, I'm not able to get the data again, but you understand what I'm trying to say here, guys. Let's just go to from the past years and see what we got here. I'm not able to get the data I was looking at before, but let's not focus on this part of what is going on here. But we have seen that there are people who are actually researching or searching for this coin. The term Ondo coin or Ondo crypto, the volume is huge. That's why you see the trend gives us like pretty good data on what it is all about. And now, going to what this coin is actually all about, I went to Google Gemini. Gemini is an AI, is free. And I said to myself, that for me to go to the internet and start going from one article to the another, let me just ask Gemini, what this coin is all about with real world example. So I asked Gemini, explain to me with real world example what Ondo Finance and Ondo Coin is. This was the result. Ondo Finance, real world analogy. Consider Ondo Finance as an investment firm specializing in traditional, safe, and stable assets like US Treasury bonds, just like how an investment firm might offer different funds with varying levels of risk and return. Ondo does something similar in the world of decentralized finance. That's different. What they do, Ondo Finance takes these stable assets like short-term US treasuries and creates tokenized version of them. Then these tokens can then be used within DeFi protocols to earn interest, provide liquidity, and participate in other financial activities. Benefits. Accessibility. Ondo opens up access to traditional institutions, investment, product, treasuries to every investors within the DeFi world. Structure product. Ondo creates different vaults or pools. Some pools focus on steady but lower returns, while others aim for potential high yield, but carry more risk. This gives investors choice based on their risk tolerance. So you can see there's so much here about like real world example. At least the investor at least want to earn interest on her savings, but is wary of wary of the volatile of most cryptocurrencies. She uses Ondo Finance to invest in a token representing US treasuries, giving her exposure to a stable asset with a decent return. So this is just some great examples on what this is all about. You can go to Gemini; it's a free tool, and use this prompt, and you're gonna get something similar or exactly the same. So, looking at what Google is telling me, or let me just ask, is this project um reasonable? Let me just let me just ask Google, Gemini if it's gonna say something. Is this project reasonable? Let me see what it's gonna say. Yeah. Determine whether Ondo Finance is a reasonable project involve a complex analysis. Here are some consideration to help you. Potential benefits, DeFi and smart contract risk, thinker complexibility, emerging project. Okay, so you go there, you can get more data, from this AI bot or AI. So now looking at all this, is pretty damn interesting to understand why they have this project, this products here, 5% APY. I don't know what you're gonna stake, but you can see here you have 4%, 4.9% APY. You have 4.7% APY. So this is what you get if say you like. Let me say for example, I want to use this. Let me click on it and see how it goes. Access restricted on the US dollar yields, and the content you are trying to access is not accessible in your region. So I think maybe like they are good somehow. Because I can see. Let me change. Let me actually use a VPN to see if say I can access this right now. Let me use my VPN to go to, let's see, which location. Which location is this? Let me use United States right now. Let me see which that. Okay, so I think there are particular areas where you can get these services. Not every area that you can get the services, which is somehow a downside. This particular one I can get it from this, but this other one I cannot get it. So you can see, connect your wallet, then go through the like what you wanna, okay, trust and treasury. Ondo management fee is this amount, international fee is this amount. So guys, these are they are a company, right? And they charge all these fees. I think they are a registered company. So yeah, they have something good here going. So I'm gonna say that Ondo is a project that I'm gonna be looking at, no doubt, but I'm not gonna be looking at the coin, in terms of that, like I want to buy and hold it forever. Of course not, but I can trade it now. Looking at this chart. Let's look at Ondo here. This is the chart of Ondo right now. And you can see ever since it was launched, this bad boy has been going up, up, up. But there's one thing I love about the way Ondo moves is that Ondo keep respecting structure. I love a coin that respects structure, market structure, because market structure is the key. If you see a coin that respects market structure, guys, then so far as the structure keep maintaining, go for it. Don't sit and say, "Oh, you're gonna wait until it pull back." No, no, no. This coin is showing a clear, reasonable structure, and whenever you see price, close and break structure, that's when you start being concerned that okay, price has working structure. Now you are getting out of the project, or you are gonna wait to see what price will do before actually going to invest in the coin or buy more of the coin. With me, this is what I do. I take my Fenerbahce tool from the bottom, from here. This was the area where this move started to the top, and I look for retracement areas. So I think that no matter how fast this coin want to move upward, it's going to retrace at one point and break structure because the market moved in waves. And seeing that most of these guys have the whales have lots of this token, at one point take out profit. So the golden pocket around this area, like 0.30 dollars, is going to be an area where I'm going to be waiting to buy this coin. And the worst case scenario, let's say for example, or let me not say the worst case scenario, maybe this could be the worst case scenario. Let's say this area, the 0.382 area, is an area where price should come there at least to an extent. If say something like we see a major retracement with Bitcoin, this is at around 0.3684 price zone, and it's also good because I see this as a way that we can actually confirm, because if price come there, it's healthy, to see that okay, now they are taking the price now to the downside. We're going to see how far they can dump the coin, in the market. I mean, those who are holding huge chunk of this coin right now. So, like looking at the coin right now, this is the 4 hours time frame. I would say that looking at what Bitcoin is doing, I don't expect this coin to just break and move to the downside. I can see that it has attempted to break structure and it's going to break structure somehow, And if I look at these indicators here, like the Trendilo, it shows that this coin somehow still have a huge upside potential. But we're going to look at the coin in terms of like what Bitcoin would do in a couple of days. I think this week most all coins are going to do so well, including Ondo. But you want to be cautious because looking at what the coin has done in the past, where it started and where it is right now, the downside is going to be really awesome. Like awesome in terms of bad for those who are going to buy from the top. So if say you are that person who want to buy at the top, be rest assured that now is not the time to buy. You would have bought it at this when the price was around 0.3918, 0.3964. You would have bought it there, then maybe you would have bought more. And those of you who want to DCA, you can sorry. Excuse me. So those of you who want to DCA this coin, you can buy at this price 0.39. You buy again at, if so you see it at 0.330, you buy more. You see it at 0.3678, you buy more. You see it at 0.2575, you buy the hell out of the coin. So I'm gonna be looking at the coin to invest in it, no doubt, and I'm gonna look at these levels to trade it. But right now, I cannot trade this coin because looking at the 4 hours time frame, the structure is not good for me. Until I see price break and make higher highs, then come back to retest this area and hold this zone here. Forming a new structure. Then I'm gonna look for a possible trade there. And usually I do spot trade. I don't trade futures with altcoin. I think like I don't do, not that I think I don't do futures trading with altcoins. I do it only with Bitcoin and other coins out there. All right, guys, I'm gonna be live today the same time as yesterday, 10 p.m. Swedish time. That's GMT +2. If say I'm not mistaken, that's Swedish time. You can join me there. We're gonna talk about Bitcoin, the entire market. We're gonna talk about Chepley, and other coins, for sure. But now I just want to also look at Ondo. We're gonna look at the market back, like what the market is doing, what we should expect Bitcoin to do, and do some TA for most of our altcoins out there. I can see most of our altcoins are doing well today. So those of you who are here the first time, smash that subscribe button. See you soon when I go live again. Bye bye. Ciao.